Today I am reviewing the HP Omen 17 CK200 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with performance, the heartbeat of any gaming rig. This machine is powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900HX processor, boasting 24 cores and 32 threads. That includes 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores, with speeds that turbo boost up to 5.4 GHz. Whether you're gaming, live streaming, 3D rendering, or multitasking across multiple heavy apps, this processor handles it all with ease and headroom to spare. Now pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 laptop GPU, equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM. This isn't just top of the line. It's a powerhouse meant for 4K gaming, real-time ray tracing, DLSS 3, and AI-enhanced visual effects. With this combo, you'll easily run the latest AAA games at max settings, enjoy smooth VR, and even tackle machine learning tasks or ultra-high-resolution video editing. To make sure the system keeps up with your speed, HP has packed in a whopping 64 GB of DDR5 RAM at 4,800 MHz. That's more than enough to ensure seamless multitasking and lag-free performance in the most memory-intensive scenarios. Plus, with 2 TB of PCIe NVMe SSD storage, you'll enjoy lightning-fast boot times, rapid game loading, and ample space for all your software, videos, and game libraries. Let's talk about the display, and this one is a showstopper. The Omen 17 comes with a 17.3-inch WQHD display. That's 2,560 by 1440 pixels, with a 165Hz refresh rate, G-Sync compatibility, and 100% sRGB color coverage. This IPS panel delivers vivid colors, deep contrast, and smooth motion for an incredibly immersive gaming and content creation experience. It's anti-glare, low blue light certified, and flicker-free, making it ideal for long hours of use. Design-wise, the laptop is sleek and aggressive with a shadow black finish and a 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard. This allows for custom lighting setups that match your gaming mood or work environment, and the keys feel responsive and comfortable for both gaming and typing. Despite its large screen, the laptop remains portable at just over 6 pounds, and it's only about an inch thick. Inside, you'll find a 720p HD webcam, HD audio with dual speakers, and a 6-cell 83-watt-hour battery that provides up to 6 hours of use, depending on your workload. In terms of connectivity, it's absolutely packed. You get Thunderbolt 4 with USB 4 support, HDMI 2.1, USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, an RJ45 Ethernet jack, a headphone/mic combo, and even a memory card slot. Wireless options include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring blazing fast and reliable connections. For gamers, streamers, and power users alike, the HP Omen 17 CK200 is a performance monster. It offers all the firepower of a high-end desktop, but with the portability of a laptop. Whether you're editing 8K footage, developing an Unreal Engine, or dominating in competitive esports, this machine has you covered. In short, it's powerful, premium, and polished. If you're ready to invest in a true next-generation gaming laptop, the Omen 17 CK200 deserves a top spot on your list.